Hi guys, it's Calvin from Raw Coding, and today I'll be going over the fundamentals of iterators in Python. An iterator is an object that contains a countable number of values. Lists, tuples, and dictionaries are all iterable objects. Once we have created our iterable object, we can iterate through the values using the iter method. I'm going to create a list called myList, which is an iterable object. Once we have created our iterable object, we can iterate through the values using the iter method. We pass in our iterable object inside of it. We can then iterate through our objects one by one using the next method. So this over here will print carrot, tomato, and cucumber. Let's run our program. As you can see, it's printed carrot, tomato, and cucumber. We have previously used a for loop in our videos. A for loop is actually an iterator object and executes the next method on every single loop. This for loop will iterate through our list and print the values on each iteration. Let's run our program. As you can see, it prints our entire list. Let's dig deeper and create the underlying mechanisms behind a for loop iteration. To create an iterator object, we have to create a class and implement the methods iter and next. I'm going to create a class called myNumbers. We will use the standard initialize method, which will tell our iterator where to start and stop. When creating an iterator, we have to use the iter method. This will return the iterated object. We use the next method to iterate to the next object. An if statement controls the amount of iterations we make, and we track how many iterations we've made by adding 1 to the current variable after each iteration. So on the first iteration, this will be 0. On the second, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. This is just like a for loop where we start at a specific number and end at the number specified. The next method then returns the current iteration we're on. Once we've created our iterator class, we can use an object to iterate through our list called myList at the top here. To iterate through and print all the values within our list, we can say for x and then pass in our iterator object, the parameter we want to start at, and the parameter we want to end at, which is the list length minus 1. And then we print all the values within our list. Let's run our program. As you can see, it's printed carrot, tomato, cucumber, lettuce, and olive. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to use iterators and list comprehension to streamline the iterator function. If you would like to see more on Python, do check out my YouTube channel and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.